cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut taillight tint, but what you might not know is that Volkswagen Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Volkswagen ID.Buzz, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So you're going to need slip solution. Slip solution contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any deep contaminants, like let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any type of coating, you can use tack solution. This has 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the taillight may have, and also just clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you were to use the tack solution, just grab your tack solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and just remove any leftover contaminants that you still have. And then once you're done with the prep, you can start with the installation. So once you're done with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So since we're doing the driver's side section of the vehicle, we are getting the driver's side piece that covers this section of the taillight. So to start, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to start by applying tack solution here. That way, once we align the film right on the edge, we could tack it down as soon as possible. So when you align it, it has to be on the edge here, and the film ends on this section here, so it doesn't go all the way inside, since there's no room to work with due to this panel being in the way. So just align the film up to the body line of the top section here. And since we applied tack solution, the film should start tacking down on the edge. All you need to do is just grab your tack solution, spray it on top. That way our squeegee is able to glide. Grab our squeegee and just tack it down. Make sure to start removing all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Secure this entire section here. Now we want to tack down this section here. That way we're able to stretch the film to reach to the other edge. And because the taillight design has this deep curve here, we will need to stretch the film a good amount in order to remove the fingers that are located in this area here. Okay, so once you secured this section, now you can stretch the film and start aligning it to this section here. So if the film does get dry, just lift it carefully and apply slip solution underneath the film. Make sure this section is dry, that way you have a good grip and your hand doesn't slip. So we're going to do a stretch until this section reaches here and this section reaches here. That way we're able to remove this big finger that we see right here. So stretch. And you will need to apply a good amount of force to stretch the film in order to reach to the edge. Okay, so once you stretch it, hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the film starts molding to the design of the curve of the taillight. And if you feel that the film is getting dry too soon, because you still may need to stretch it to the edge, just lift it carefully and apply slip solution once more. Okay, so just hold it in position. Make sure you're holding it with one hand, and then with your other hand, you're going to start tacking it down with your squeegee. So apply tack solution on top. Start from here, start tacking it down. Be careful not to crease the film. Okay, and just work your way to this section. If the film continues to try to go back to its original form, just lift it and apply slip solution and try tacking it down once more with a good stretch. Okay, so once you finish tagging it down, you will still have this small little finger here and some fingers here on top. So to remove them, just apply tag solution, and you're going to grab a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly where you see those fingers. So warm up your device and then apply heat where you see those fingers. Make sure you apply it evenly. Help spread the fingers to make them smaller. And don't forget about the bottom. Okay, and all we need to do now is just apply tag solution once more. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. That way you're able to tack it down. And then just hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the film starts tacking down to the tail light. And we should be good. And then you just continue applying heat to seal the edges. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2 that covers this entire light bar here. So apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the light bar. And you could start from either the passenger side or the driver's side. It doesn't really matter. Just wherever you start, just make sure you align it right on the edge. So align it right on the edge. And the same process is how we did it with the alignment for this one. Just align it on the edge here and towards the top body line right here. So right here should be good. Okay, so all we need to do now is just tack it down. So apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays aligned. And start tacking it down slowly. Remove all of the fingers that are trapped underneath the film. And the solution also. Okay, once we have this one secured, just go ahead and make sure everything else stays aligned. Follow the top body line as a guide to align the rest of the film until you reach to the other end. And also something to keep in mind as you're aligning the film, you will notice that right now the film doesn't reach up to the edge here, so you will need to stretch it to reach to the other end here and tack it down. So once you finish tagging down everything and removing all the solution that's trapped underneath the film, just make sure to apply heat to start sealing the entire bottom edge, because since it's still lifting, we need to make sure it stays tacked down and it doesn't lift over time. Also, all you need to do is just apply tack solution underneath the panel. You're going to use your heat gun or a hair dryer and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. If you do have any fingers, for example, like these here, with heat, just apply heat. Apply it evenly, help it tack down, spread the fingers, that way you shrink them, and then just with heat should be tacked down. Just like that. So you just work the fingers down and then seal the entire edge, and then once you're done with this step, the last thing to do would be to post heat. Okay, so once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light tints, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So you're going to need your tack solution and apply tack solution throughout the entire tail light. You're going to need a heat device, so you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and also if there is any small fingers still lifting or any edges still lifting, we apply heat and also using our microfiber towel to help it tack down and remove those fingers. So take your time applying heat, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tint installation for the Volkswagen ID.Buzz. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Volkswagen ID.Buzz. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.